Hi there, and welcome to Gold Academy. Now, on the board, we're having a question under a topic in mathematics known as logarithm. We're having a question to solve on the board which says log 4 of x plus log 2 of x equals to 6. Now, how do we go about question like this? It's very simple. So, the first thing to do here is to make this log and this log to have the same base. So how do we do that? We introduce a law known as the law of change of base. So I'm going to have log, we change this log, we change the base to base 2. So we have log base 2 of x over log base 2 of 4 plus log base 2 of x equals to 6. We're having a law in logarithm, which is if we have this, which is a law of change of base, that if we have this log a of b, I can change the base from base a to base c. So I'm going to have this log c of b over log c of a. I have this. So the same way, I change the base from 4 to base 2. So I have log 2 of x over log 2 of 4 plus log 2 of x equals to 6. From here, I will have log 2 of x over log 2 of 2 raised to the power of 2. I will raise this 4 to the power of 2 plus log 2 of x equals to 6. My next task is to bring this 2 to the back here. So we are going to have log 2 of x over 2 log 2 of 2. In logarithm, we have a law that if we have this log a of b raised to the power of 2, we can have 2 log a of b. We can have this. From this, we can have this. So from here, I have this plus log 2 of x equals to 6. My next task is to make log 2 of x to be b, or to be any variable. So log 2 of x now equal to b. You can choose any variable, you can choose any variable if you like to. So if log 2 of x equals to b, I'm going to have b over, remember, log 2 of 2 becomes 1. According to the law in logarithm, if you have log of 8 to power log base 8 of 8 is same thing as 1. Log 9 of 9 is same thing as 1. So we're going to have b to be over 2. Log 2 of 2 is 1. So 2 times 1, I'm going to have 2. We're going to have 2 here. Plus, remember, log 2 of x is now b. So I'm going to have b equal to 6. My next task is to multiply through by 2. So I'm going to have here by 2, here by 2, here by 2. With that being done, this will cancel this. So I'm going to get b. I'm going to get b plus 2b equals to 12. With this, I can add these two together. I can have 3b to be equal to 12. With that, I'll divide both sides by 3. So I can have over 3 over 3. What happens next? 3 cancels 3. I'm going to have b equals to 4. So my b is now 4. But remember, my log 2 of x is b. So I can have my log 2 of x to be equal to, remember my b is now 4. I'm going to have 4. Now, law of logarithm says if I have this, if I have log a of b to the x, I'm going to have b to be equal to a, this is the power of x. If I have this, so I can apply it here. So we have my x to be equal to 2 raised to the power of 4. So finally my x becomes 16. So this is my x. Now to confirm if my answer is true, to verify, let me bring my equation here. I'm going to have log 4 of x plus log 2 of x to be, now I'm going to confirm if I really get 6. My x is 14, so let me bring my x to be 16 if I really get 6. If I add these two, if I really get 6. Alright, now let's go with that. My log 4, my x is now 16 plus log of 2, my x is now 16. So what's the next thing here? I will raise this 16 to power of 2. That will be 4 is power of 2. I'm going to get log 4 of 4 is power 2 plus log 2. I'll raise this 16 also to the power of 2. That will be 2 raised to power 4. That will be 2 raised to power of 4. Breaking these 2 here, I'm going to get 2 log 4 of 4 plus this 4 comes, I'm going to get 4 log 2 of 2. So what happens here? Log 4 of 4 becomes 1. Log 2 of 2 becomes 1. I'm going to get 2 plus 4 to give me 6. So it means my x, which is 16, is correct. So if you find this video helpful, do well to hit the like button, share, and subscribe, and follow for more. Thank you.